Hey YouTube, it's Nicole here. So here's an update on the judge up here. That was from Albany, New York, I believe. Well, she was sworn in her ceremony in this photo. But duh, anyone who initially heard this story said, something doesn't seem quite right with this. Her body found floating in the Hudson River. Yes, something's up. So this news actually just broke about 30 minutes ago, and it says that death of appeals court judge suspicious, police say. No, really? They must think we're stupid. Let's see. Police are calling the death of Judge Sheila Abdus-Salaam suspicious because there is no clear indication of suicide or criminality. Okay. Police say there are no obvious signs of criminality in the death of the first Black woman appointed to New York State's highest court. Medical examiners are still planning to perform an autopsy on 65-year-old Sheila Abdus-Salaam after the body of the 65-year-old Court of Appeals judge washed up on the shore of the Hudson River. Meanwhile, those who loved and respected her are left wondering what they could have done to help her. I think of Rudyard Kipling when I think of Judge Sheila Abdus-Salaam. Former New York Governor David Paterson said, "To walk with kings and maintain the common touch, that's why I'll miss her the rest of my life." It was a fitting tribute to a woman once called a humble pioneer. Paterson knew her as Sheila Turner and was just 18 when they met as college students in 2009. He designated her justice for the appellate division. Let's see, former Assemblyman Keith Wright was Abdus-Salaam's neighbor and saw her just a few days ago. He pointed to her as a beacon, an example, a paragon of what is right in our neighborhood, he said, especially in the legal field. This was the type of woman who the sky was the limit. Police say Abdus-Salaam was last seen around 7 p.m. Monday, then spoke last Tuesday morning with her assistant by phone. Detectives are now looking for any possible surveillance video in her Harlem neighborhood for any clues to how and why she ended up in the Hudson. Come on, why do you think? Governor Andrew Cuomo once praised Abdus-Salaam for her deep understanding of the everyday issues facing New Yorkers, many of those same people now mourning her loss. "If you were in her presence, you were certainly blessed for that day," Wright said. Abdus-Salaam graduated from Barnard College and received her law degree from Columbia Law School. She started her career as a staff attorney for East Brooklyn Legal Services. She served as a judge in Manhattan State Supreme Court for 14 years. So yeah, so they're saying there's nothing obvious, but now they're saying it's suspicious. Come on. I'm starting to really think there was some very carefully planned, some type of drug involved. I'm just getting that vibe when they can't really see anything. My, investigation, discovery, my what's the other show I love to watch sometimes? Forensic Files, that starts to going off that this isn't right. This isn't right. I really think she could have possibly been stuck with some poisonous needle and they're just not seeing it right now. But yeah, I don't buy any of this suicide crap. I never bought it from the beginning. Something obviously happened to this woman. I don't know many Black women who are just going to go jump in the Hudson River. That just does not make any sense at all. And yeah, I guess this is going to be a long, drawn out, process, but I do hope they get to the bottom of this. I hope it's clean, but I'm not going to, hold my breath on it. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think they're going to actually get to the bottom of this and see who did this? Or do you think it's just going to be a cover-up? I'm starting to somewhat lean to the cover-up, but hey, maybe they'll prove me wrong. But anyway, so this is an update on this story, and I will continue to keep you guys updated on this. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.